Royal. Royal means princely, queenly, join, associate, combine, connect, link, relate, meeting, assembly, huddle, gathering, click or opportunity, chance, occasion, topic, keynote, and subject. And what will say? Oh, click, hit it off, snap, freak, trick, tick, clack, crack, bang. Oh, are you there? Okay, so what are you thinking that I am just reading? No, I'm not reading. Actually, I'm just watching some new synonyms like royal, join, meeting, click, opportunity, like that. So, okay, I just share with you one thing that today when I was teaching to my students at that time, actually one student is asking to me a question. Question is that ma'am, is it really important? Is it really important while the learning English speaking, we have to focus on all skills, reading skills, watching skills, listening skills, or what? Writing skills. Okay, so it is really very necessary that we have to focus. I said no. Something is unique and different. Have you gotten it? Okay, I just tell you one thing why I'm just saying that it's not important. If you are reading, listening, watching anything, whatever you are doing for purpose of English learning, it is not important. I just tell you one thing why. Like first to 12th student, first to 12th standard according to the class sessions, or before the first standard, nursery, LKG, KG. Okay, just count the year as well. And after the 12th standard, BA, BCom or BSc means within 3 years in the college. So means first to 12th, 12 years, or 3 years of college, 15, and 3 years of in a beginning of time, nursery, LKG, KG. Means 18 years you already had a lot of read, you already had read, watch, speak, watch, listen. Okay, you already had done all skills, but still we are not able to speak in English. What is the reason behind that? Reason is nothing, because that time you had focused all skills, but you hadn't focused on the speaking skills. If you want to improve English communications, if you want to speaking, so it's not need to focus on all skills. It's really necessary to focus on the speaking skills. How to speak, how to create the environment, and why I'm saying that those are skills not important while the learning English communications in students of life, because students has already done BA, BCom, BSc, but still we are not able to speak in English, because that time we are not able to focus on the speaking skills. But a lot of students are also asking to me, we are really very good at grammar, we are really very good at reading skills, we are really very good at listening skills, we are really very good at watching skills. When we also notice to anyone that both are participants speaking in English, those are persons discussions to each other in English, we are able to listen. But why we are not able to speak? So reason is that lacking of speaking skills. When you had cleared your studies at that time, you focus all skills, you focused all skills but you didn't focus on the speaking skill. That's why you are not able to speak in English. So that's why I'm suggesting to everyone, don't be focused too much reading, listening, speaking. No, just focus on the speaking. Whenever you get the time, just trying to speak. If you have not environment, if you don't have environment, it's okay. Just try to speak by yourself. Just try to speak in front of the camera. Just try to speak while the camera. Just try to record yourself. I already mentioned in my previous video, which I just that link I provide you in the description board. So just try to record your conversation, whatever you want to speak. Just try to get a topic and just try to speak and just try to record and speaking. And if you can create the group, definitely just try to make a community with your friends to speak in English. Just try to discuss in English, and after that you also can remove your agitations while the English communications, while the English is speaking. It is so easy. It is piece of cake. It is not too much. But important thing is just focus on the fascinate word. Just focus on the phrasal verbs, idioms. That thing is really very important. Just focus of the advanced structure. It's really important to speak in English. Like you can speak simple in a beginning of time, but after sometimes you are not able to speak in an advanced level. So for that things, if you will focus on these skills, you can do it easily. You can do it. But if you will focus on all previous skills, which is really very had done by you, a lot of time you had read a lot, you had listened a lot by the teachers, by the Googles, by the YouTube. You already had watched a lot web series, serials, a lot of things you already had watched, but still you are not able to speak in English. So thing is that like you are lacking only on speaking skills. So just try to focus on the speaking skills, not all other skills. Okay, if you just like, I'm not saying those are not important. Those are really very important. If you are if you are focused on the reading sections, okay, so just try to focus on the reading sections only 5 minutes. 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes watching, 5 minutes writing. Okay, and 20 minutes it's enough. But a lot of time just try to spend on the speaking skills. Suppose only 20 minutes, total of 20 minutes, if you just try to speaking, definitely you will be amazed. You will be amazing speaker in English. Trust me, you can do that. How to do that? I would like to suggest you one applications, and that application is really amazing, and that application is actually working to speak in English. You can learn easily how to speak in English. Okay, just try to download the applications of what? WhatsApp. Everyone has WhatsApp applications, right? Okay, just try to go on the Google and just try to search Alina Reyes. Actually, she is my mentor, and I really like to watch her videos as well. And she already had provided to every student's WhatsApp group facilities. So just try to go and search on the Google Alina Reyes WhatsApp group, and definitely you can get easily link on the WhatsApp, and just try to enter that groups. Okay, by that groups you also can meet easily friends according to your level. If your level is beginner, if your level is advanced, if your level is anything, so of course you also can interact with those people, and of course you also can practice to them. Okay, when you practice with them, definitely you can improve a lot, and by that things you also can create the improvement as well. By that things you also can create environment, atmosphere to speak in English. By that things you also can build the confidence as well. So for that things you will have to do that, and for that things bye, and please just focus only and only on speaking skills or fancy word, idioms, phrase or advanced structure. No need to extra skills because you already had done. Okay, bye.